Hey, what's up guys? I'm Anthony Tackett. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Teccpo TAD-30B dehumidifier. Let's get to it. Alright, so Teccpo reached out to me a few weeks ago to see if I would be interested in taking a look at this dehumidifier. I'd actually been in the market for one, and I think that this might be the ticket. The reason why I've been looking is because I store a lot of wood in here, and this is a converted single car garage. It's just under 300 square feet, and this humidifier is ENERGY STAR certified, and you're supposed to be able to remove up to 30 pints per day of water in rooms up to 2,500 square feet. So this is definitely overkill, but the smaller size and portability definitely makes it appealing to me. So we're going to open this up. This is going to be kind of informal. We're going to take a look at the features together and see what we think about it. The top just lifts right off, so that's kind of handy paperwork. So that just pops right off the front here. So there are a couple little tabs here. I'm going to press those in. This cover lifts off. We have our power cord and our casters. So these casters, they should just push in there. So let's take a look at the bottom and see if we can do that pretty easily. The casters should just pop right in. Spin it around here. Let's take a look at this filter really quickly before we plug it in, and we'll glance through the manual here as well. But pull this out, and here's your little screen that you can clean. You can run this machine manually or automatically in terms of draining. Now this holds around 3.8 liters, and you'll get a little indicator light on top of the machine that lets you know when it's time to dump the tank. The machine won't run when the tank's full, stuff like that. But here on the back, we've got this nice little fitting, so you can screw any standard garden hose into this, and it'll drain automatically as the tank fills up, so you don't have to worry about it. There are some controls here on top, just to kind of cover the high points. You have the check filter reminder. You can set a timer to save energy. You can adjust the fan speed, and you'll also find out when the tank is full. So I've dropped the relative humidity setting on this way down. I've got the machine off right now. I'm going to turn it on real quick, and we'll see what it sounds like when the compressor's running. Here we go. Okay, so the compressor's on right now, so it is actively dehumidifying. You can definitely hear it, but it's on this wooden table right now. I think when it's under my bench, it won't be that distracting at all. I have a little heater here in the corner. It's maybe just as loud as that, and the compressor kicked off. It's not super humid in here right now, so I expect that. Okay, so that is the Teccpo TAD-30B portable dehumidifier. Overall, the design is super nice. The form factor is very compact. I love that it's ENERGY STAR compliant. I love that you can set a timer to help save energy, and it is stupid simple to use. You set the humidity to what you want it to be in the room, and it'll run as needed to control that and keep it where you want it. You get this fitting on the back, hook up a garden hose, run it into a drain in the floor if you have that, reusable air filter, and overall, I think it's a pretty good deal. I'll put the pricing information below, as well as a link so you can check this out on Amazon. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you found some of this useful and entertaining. And if you haven't been here before, most of my videos are about DIY and woodworking. Occasionally we'll do some 3D printing stuff as well. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to like this video, drop a comment below, all the YouTube stuff, and we'll see you next time. Bye.